Welcome back guys to another Zero DTE video, and today Ernie's going to be talking about Batman trades, so make sure you stay tuned. If you're interested in becoming a pro trader, check out the link in the description where you can find Ernie's education platform. Enjoy guys.
So let's say that you have a Batman and it moves up into your call fly and you want to take profit on that call fly. So there are a number of ways you could do it. You could just take it off.
Right.
I don't know whether you did that or not, but let's assume you just take the call fly off. Now you have the put fly on. What you can do at that point is just buy back the short strikes on that put fly. Probably cost about 5 or 10 cents.
Buy back the short leg on the put fly.
Yeah, the 2 center strikes.
Okay.
Yeah, just buy them back. They'll probably be priced somewhere between 5 and 10 cents. Usually you can get it off for about 5 cents. So you're adding $10 of risk to the trade. However, now the leading long leg is no longer being diminished by those short contracts. So it is just out there naked. So if price decided to reverse, it wouldn't have to go too far before that long leg started becoming valuable.
Okay. So what happened with SPY butterfly is I took the call off and profited. Now it's coming into the curve of the short of the put fly.
Yeah, but it's too late because
it's too. I was just going to ask you that. That's too late now, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now the short strikes are worth too much to take off. See, the reason why you took them off before at 5 cents is because they've depleted almost all their value. They're only worth 5 cents now. Take them off. But if price returns, their value just increased.
Okay.
You can see just by try setting up a trade where you exit those 2 short flies and see what the mid price is. It should be significantly more than 5 cents.
There's one short fly. The other short fly was already taken off because the whole butterfly was taken off on the call.
No, I'm talking about the put.
Oh, there's 2 short flies on a put or a 2 short call?
2 short strikes. Yeah, they're in the center. Those are the 2 center stripes.
Oh, yeah.
Yeah. So stage a trade that exits those 2 and then see what the cost is.
Oh, wow. Okay. So 17. So if I stage taking those 2 off, I have 4 cents price.
All right. So it costs 4 cents.
Yeah.
It's a much smaller trade too.
Yes.
You shouldn't have to pay more than a penny on that because you're trading SPY. That's the equivalent of 40 cents on the SPX. That's something I wouldn't buy back because it's still not that much of a risk, but it's not that much of a gain either because you're trading a much smaller.
Okay. I think I understand the concept here, though. I'd almost like to do this just to see what happens to the trade.
If it's 4 cents, and you take 2 of them off, that means you're incurring 8 cents of extra risk. It's not a lot. It's $8.
Yeah.
It diminishes the overall strength, though, that long put now that is leading by that much. So it would be better instead of taking it off for $8 if you could take it off for $2 or 2 cents instead of 8 cents. Then there's an addition.
And that would have been the thing to do right after the other trade had been executed.
Yes. Yeah, we've done that a few times and been successful. It's a long shot, but if you think that the market is volatile and it looks like it might drop, then it's a good play. It doesn't cost much. It's a great asymmetric trade.
Thanks for watching guys, I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you did, make sure you hit that subscribe button and hit the like button below. If there's any questions that you might have for Coach Ernie, make sure you leave them in the comment section. Thanks guys.